Caloocan, Malabon, and Navotas are adjacent local government units. These LGUs occupy a land area of 83.86 square kilometers, more than half the size of Quezon City. More than 1.7 million residents are adversely affected by perennial flooding during high tide. A vital flood control project strides along these LGUs to mitigate the damage caused by floodwaters. This is the Kamanava Flood Control Project. Begun in June 2003, this 5.184 billion peso project virtually sets up barriers to protect the areas from flooding during high tide or continuous heavy rains. The project is expected to reduce by at least 75% the areas prone to flooding in Metro Manila. Unhampered mobility of the residents is one of the more important considerations. It is expected that living conditions and economic activities will improve significantly in Caloocan City, Malabon, and Navotas as the damage caused by floods are mitigated. Once completed, the MMDA's Flood Control and Sewerage Management Office is mandated to operate and maintain a project of this magnitude as provided for in Section 3D of Republic Act 7924. The Metropolitan Flood Control and Sewerage Management Office works hand-in-hand with the Department of Public Works and Highways, the agency tasked to construct the project. The Kamanava project has two major components along the Malabon River. The northern section